In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets for project tracking. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Go to Google Sheets and create a new sheet. You can then name your sheet by clicking Untitled Spreadsheet. Once you have completed, you are then going to go to column and row 1 and add titles. You then want to highlight all those titles and make it all bold. Right click it and scroll down to view more actions and freeze up to row 1. So now when you scroll down, your row 1 and titles will still be visible. You then want to use data validation for status. So right click F, click data, scroll down to data validation. You then want to add rules. Our first rule will be to do, in progress, and done. When you have completed, select done. Now if you click any of those rows, you'll see to do, in progress, and done. Now we are going to add conditional formatting, so highlight column F, go to format and click conditional formatting. We are now going to set rules. So we are going to click format cells if text ends with to do. The cell will be highlighted green. We will add another rule. If the text ends with in progress, it will be highlighted yellow. And we will add a third rule. If the text ends with done, it will be red. So simply click done. And now when you change the status to do, it goes green, in progress, yellow, and done is red. You can then share this file with other people by clicking share. Enter the recipient's emails. You can select their access, restricted, or anyone with the link. Then select done once you have completed it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.